Hi there, we are planning to convert the Northwind database into a Voodify application. As we have been working on the Database.Show web app, we created a profile for Northwind, and have started to explore the data. We are able to customize the output to suit our needs, whether we are generating a PDF or an Excel report. From the schema, we have a on PDF and a on Excel column that we can turn on or off. These control which columns will show on the PDF and which columns will show on the Excel reports. This is the strings table. We will export it to PDF and also to Excel. The PDF export is possible with the jsPDF library. For Excel we are using the OXML JavaScript library. We will do the Excel export and then open the document. It is done.